Fall decorations at Walmart. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I am at my local Walmart over here, and they have fall decorations out. They have some nice beautiful fall decorations that you can definitely use it to decorate for fall and Thanksgiving and this special season of the year. So definitely something to check out. I love the beautiful bright colors, like the pumpkins and the flowers and different decors that they have here, and the prices are really reasonable. Most of them are below $3. Definitely something to check out and see what you can use them for different decorations and having different decoration ideas. Like over here they have pumpkin hair rides, and they have critters over here, really nicely designed critters over here. So definitely something to you can use to decorate. Over here you have turkey, nicely decorated, and the prices are really reasonable. This one is like $3.98 for this nice decoration. So if you intend to do a lot of decoration this fall, check it out. Check your local Walmart. I'll see if I can find some of if I have any links to any of them, I'll put them below. But they have nice pumpkin decorations here. Count your blessings, blessed, and other stuff that you can definitely use to decorate. Over here you have other pumpkin-like decorations that you can definitely use. Here it says count your blessings, and the other one says blessed, the other one says thankful. So definitely something that you can use to decorate the house, decorate your home, and definitely something that you could definitely use some of them. Over here you have blessed. This one can go like on the door, or go in inside the house for decorations. So there are a lot of different things here that you can use for different decorations. So also let me know in the comments below where you usually get your decorations. What are the best places you get fall decorations in terms of stores or online. And also let me know what time you start doing decorations. Some people start early, some people a little bit later. So just let me know in the comments below. Also over here they have some nice outdoor decorations that should definitely look good in a lot of different decorations. Like here you have a little small houses just as grateful and thankful. Up here you have sign that shows welcome and other stuff, all in fall Thanksgiving colors, and they look really good. And like I said before, the prices are really cheap, and definitely something to take a look at. And if you intend to do some decorations this fall. So here they have some nice design decor items that you could definitely add to your fall decorations here. Figurines and different things that definitely would add a certain level of detail to your decorations. So down here we have hay, and we have some other flowers. We have pumpkins and different colors of pumpkins that you have over here that you could definitely use. Some people use this as a pumpkin decoration outside instead of buying regular fresh pumpkins. Some people just put this outside to use for decorations. So over here we have more decorations that definitely you can definitely use them. And here you have some sculptures and some baskets and other stuff that you can definitely use for decorations. So here they have different sculptures over here. Different. That's one. There's some that are opening. The eyes are open. Some the eyes are closed, and so I'll say check your local Walmart. You might be able to find similar things. You might be able to find different things. You might be able to find the same things. They have different stores have different things, different decorations. So take a look at it and see what they have, and then you might be able to get what you um, want from the decor that you've seen here. So hopefully this helps you out in terms of the various items that they have. And I'll put the link to some of the decors in the description below, so you can take a look at that link, and it should take you to some of the decors that I found online. So here they have blessed, and it's in different colors that you could definitely use decorate. Here they have like leaves, like harvest leaves, and over here they have sign that says welcome with car carrying a pumpkin, and other signs right over here that definitely gives you the fall look and feel in terms of items that you can use to decorate. Okay, this is all they have for fall decorations at Walmart. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and take care.